In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your WooCommerce store URL. Whether you're brand new to managing an online store or just need a quick refresher, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the entire process in a simple and straightforward way. So let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll want to head to wordpress.com. This is your central hub for managing all things related to your WordPress site, including your WooCommerce store. You can think of it as your gateway to control and customize your online presence. By typing wordpress.com into your browser, you'll access the main page where it all begins. Once you're on wordpress.com, you'll see the option to log in. Click on the Login button. This will direct you to the screen where you can enter your credentials. Remember, it's important to use your account details here to ensure you can seamlessly access your site's backend. If you've forgotten your password or encounter any issues, most platforms, including WordPress, provide simple password recovery options. After logging in, you'll be brought to your WordPress dashboard. This is where you manage every aspect of your WordPress site, including your WooCommerce store. It's a bit like the control center for your online shop. Familiarizing yourself with the dashboard can enhance your management capabilities and help streamline your workflow. Now, look for the Products Marschalluk section in your dashboard. This is where WooCommerce lists all the products you sell in your store. Clicking on Products will give you access to various management options, including adding new products and managing existing ones. It's crucial to know your way around this section for efficient store administration. Next, you need to click on All Products. This will display a list of every product available in your store. By viewing this list, you can easily manage inventory, update product details, or check the status of specific items. Take a moment to ensure all your products are listed correctly and that the inventory reflects your actual stock levels. To find the specific URL of your store, you'll want to hover over the name of any product in this list. After doing so, a few options will appear right under the product name. Click on View. This action will open the product page on your website in a new tab. And at the top of your browser, you'll see the product's URL. This URL, while specific to the product, confirms the URL structure of your online store, and there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can easily find your WooCommerce store URL, which is essential for sharing your shop, driving traffic, and monitoring your site's accessibility. Remember, being familiar with your store's interface and URLs ensures that you can efficiently operate your online business. Thanks for watching, and happy selling!